From the ancient codes of Hammurabi to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, we have striven to create systems that uphold fairness, protect the vulnerable, and hold wrongdoers accountable. Yet the quest for a truly global justice system, one that transcends borders, cultures, and biases, remains an elusive goal. Imagine a world where access to justice is not determined by wealth or geography, where disputes are resolved fairly and transparently, and where the principles of human dignity and equality are upheld for all. This is the promise of an AI-driven global justice system, a vision that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to create a more just and equitable world. At the heart of this transformative vision lies a radical departure from traditional models of justice. Imagine a vast digital forum, accessible from every corner of the globe, where individuals, organizations, and even nations can seek redress for grievances and find solutions to complex disputes. This platform, powered by sophisticated AI algorithms, would serve as the central hub for the administration of global justice. The AI-driven system streamlines the process, ensuring swift and efficient resolution of cases. Evidence is analyzed with unparalleled accuracy. Language barriers are effortlessly overcome through real-time translation, and decisions are rendered based on a comprehensive understanding of global laws and ethical principles. Transparency is paramount, with all proceedings and deliberations open to public scrutiny. The implications of such a system are far-reaching, extending to every facet of human interaction. Disputes between individuals, often hampered by financial constraints or legal complexities, can be resolved swiftly and fairly. Corporations are held accountable for their actions on a global scale, ensuring that ethical considerations are not sacrificed for profit. The system, guided by the principles of international law and human rights, provides a neutral ground for nations to engage in constructive dialogue and find mutually acceptable solutions. In the heart of this groundbreaking system lies a concept both audacious and elegant: a global jury, comprising 10,000 individuals drawn from the far corners of our planet. This is no ordinary assembly, but a carefully curated tapestry of human experience, knowledge and wisdom, reflecting the rich diversity of our world. This is the global jury, a microcosm of humanity itself, united by a shared commitment to justice and empowered by their unique perspectives. Their collective wisdom, honed through years of experience in their respective fields, forms the bedrock of this revolutionary system. Selecting for impartiality, a random selection process. For each case brought before the system, a sophisticated algorithm, meticulously designed to eliminate any possibility of manipulation, randomly selects a subset of jurors from the larger pool. This ensures that no single individual or group can exert undue influence on the outcome of a case. The random selection process is a testament to the system's unwavering commitment to fairness, ensuring that every case is adjudicated by a jury that is both representative of the global community and free from any preconceived notions or biases. AI as the conductor orchestrating global justice. Like the conductor of a grand orchestra, AI brings together diverse instruments, each with its unique voice, to create a harmonious and powerful whole. With unparalleled speed and accuracy, AI analyzes vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, flagging inconsistencies, and ensuring that each case is routed to the appropriate specialist within the global jury. AI is the tireless engine that drives the system forward, ensuring that the wheels of justice turn smoothly, efficiently, and without prejudice. A repository of knowledge, AI, and the law. Imagine a vast digital library housing the accumulated wisdom of legal systems from across the globe, from ancient codes of conduct to modern-day treaties. This comprehensive database, constantly updated and refined, serves as the foundation upon which the AI builds its understanding of the law. This ability to see the forest for the trees, to identify the underlying principles that connect seemingly disparate legal systems, makes AI an invaluable tool in the pursuit of global justice. Bridging language barriers, universal access to justice. Imagine a world where legal documents, witness testimonies, and even complex legal arguments are instantly translated into hundreds of languages, making the intricacies of the law accessible to anyone with an internet connection. With AI as the interpreter, the courtroom becomes a truly level playing field, where justice is dispensed based on the merits of the case, not the linguistic abilities of those involved. This commitment to linguistic inclusivity ensures that every voice is heard, every story is understood, and every individual, regardless of their linguistic background, has an equal opportunity to seek and obtain justice. Transparency in action, illuminating the path to justice. In the AI-driven global justice system, transparency is not an afterthought. It is woven into the very fabric of its operation. Every step of the process, from the initial submission of a case to the final rendering of a judgment, is meticulously documented and made available for public scrutiny. This radical transparency deters corruption and manipulation, fosters public trust in the system, and provides invaluable educational opportunities for individuals and communities worldwide. A platform for global access, justice at your fingertips. Imagine a world where the pursuit of justice is no longer hindered by geographical distance, financial constraints, or bureaucratic labyrinths. With a few clicks, they can upload evidence, provide testimonies, and present their arguments in their native language, confident that their voices will be heard and their claims will be assessed fairly. The accessible platform embodies the very essence of democratized justice, ensuring that the pursuit of fairness is not a privilege reserved for the few, but a fundamental right accessible to all. Breaking down barriers, ensuring equal access for all. The AI-driven global justice system dismantles these barriers, ensuring that every individual, regardless of their background, has an equal opportunity to seek and obtain justice. The platform's multilingual capabilities, powered by cutting-edge AI translation technology, ensure that language is no longer an obstacle to understanding or being understood. This levels the playing field, allowing individuals to present their cases on their own terms, confident that their voices will carry equal weight regardless of their socio-economic status. The transparency imperative, illuminating the path to justice. Imagine a world where the walls of courtrooms become metaphorical glass walls, allowing the public to witness the judicial process firsthand. With the AI-driven system, all proceedings, evidence, testimonies, and deliberations are meticulously documented and made accessible to the public through a secure online portal. This radical transparency acts as a powerful deterrent to corruption, fosters trust and accountability, and provides invaluable educational opportunities for individuals worldwide. AI and the pursuit of objectivity. Mitigating human bias. Human history is replete with examples of how even the most well-intentioned individuals can fall prey to unconscious biases, influencing their perceptions and ultimately impacting their judgment. The AI-driven global justice system recognizes the inherent subjectivity of human perception and seeks to mitigate the impact of bias by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. The AI, acting as an impartial arbiter, is trained on a massive dataset of legal precedents, ethical frameworks, and cultural norms from around the world. This allows the AI to identify and flag potential instances of bias, whether they stem from cultural background, personal experience, or societal prejudices. For instance, if a case involves individuals from different cultural backgrounds, the AI can alert the jury to potential cultural sensitivities or differing interpretations of social norms, ensuring that all parties are treated fairly and with cultural understanding. The AI's role is not to replace human judgment, but to enhance it, to provide a safeguard against the pitfalls of unconscious bias, and to ensure that every decision is grounded in fairness, objectivity, and a commitment to upholding the principles of justice for all. One of the common criticisms leveled against traditional justice systems is the lack of transparency in how decisions are reached. Verdicts are often delivered with minimal explanation, leaving individuals feeling confused, frustrated, and unsure of how the evidence was weighed or the law was applied. The AI-driven global justice system addresses this challenge by providing detailed explanations for every verdict rendered. The AI, leveraging its vast knowledge base and analytical capabilities, breaks down the reasoning behind the decision, outlining the relevant legal precedents, the evidence considered, and the logical steps that led to the final judgment. Imagine receiving a verdict that not only outlines the outcome of your case, but also provides a clear and concise explanation of how the decision was reached, citing specific evidence, legal principles, and ethical considerations. This level of transparency empowers individuals, fosters understanding, and strengthens public confidence in the fairness and integrity of the justice system. The AI-driven global justice system, by demystifying the legal process and providing clear explanations for its decisions, transforms the judicial process from a black box into a transparent forum where justice is not only served, but is seen to be served. The world is in a state of constant flux, with new technologies emerging, cultural norms evolving, and ethical dilemmas arising at an unprecedented pace. Traditional justice systems, often slow to adapt to change, can struggle to keep pace with these rapid advancements, leading to inconsistencies and a sense that the law is out of touch with the realities of the modern world. The AI-driven global justice system is designed to be agile and adaptable, capable of evolving alongside the changing needs of a global society. The system's core algorithms are constantly learning and updating, incorporating new legal precedents, ethical frameworks, and cultural sensitivities as they emerge. Furthermore, the system incorporates a feedback mechanism, allowing legal experts, ethicists, and the public to provide input on the system's performance and suggest areas for improvement. This ensures that the AI-driven justice system remains a dynamic and responsive force, capable of addressing the complex challenges of a rapidly changing world. The AI-driven global justice system, with its ability to learn, adapt, and evolve, ensures that the pursuit of justice remains a relevant and effective force for good in an ever-changing world. The true measure of any justice system lies not just in its theoretical elegance but in its practical application, its ability to address the myriad conflicts and dilemmas that arise in the complex tapestry of human interaction. The AI-driven global justice system, with its unique combination of human wisdom and artificial intelligence, proves its mettle by seamlessly adapting to a wide range of scenarios. From individual disputes to international conflicts, imagine a system so versatile it can resolve a property dispute between neighbors in different countries as effectively as it can mediate a complex trade negotiation between nations. This adaptability stems from the system's ability to draw upon a vast repository of legal knowledge, cultural understanding and ethical frameworks, tailoring its approach to the specific circumstances of each case. Whether it's upholding the rights of individuals, resolving disputes between corporations, or navigating the complexities of international law, the AI-driven global justice system serves as a beacon of fairness and impartiality, ensuring that every case is assessed on its merits, free from bias or prejudice. This versatility is a testament to the system's ability to transcend the limitations of traditional legal frameworks, offering a truly global solution to the challenges of justice in an interconnected world. Section 2. Civil and Criminal Justice. Resolving disputes, upholding rights. The AI-driven global justice system excels in resolving disputes and upholding rights efficiently. It ensures fairness, transparency and swift resolutions in both civil and criminal matters, protecting the rights of all parties involved. Section 3. Bridging international divides, navigating global conflicts. The international stage, often fraught with tension and prone to conflict, presents unique challenges for any justice system. Disputes between nations, often rooted in historical grievances, ideological differences or competition for resources, require a delicate balance of diplomacy, legal expertise and a commitment to finding peaceful resolutions. The AI-driven global justice system, with its ability to draw upon a vast repository of international law, treaties and diplomatic protocols, provides a neutral platform for nations to engage in constructive dialogue and seek mutually acceptable solutions. Imagine a world where border disputes, trade disagreements and even accusations of human rights violations are addressed through a fair and transparent process, with all parties given an equal opportunity to present their case and have their perspectives heard. The AI's role as an impartial facilitator, capable of translating languages, identifying common ground, and proposing solutions that align with international norms, proves invaluable in these sensitive situations. The system's commitment to transparency ensures that all negotiations and deliberations are open to public scrutiny, fostering accountability and building trust between nations. By providing a peaceful avenue for resolving international disputes, the AI-driven global justice system contributes to a more stable, secure and just world order. Section 4. A voice for the voiceless, championing humanitarian causes. In a world of inequality, the AI-driven global justice system champions humanitarian causes, upholding human rights and giving a voice to the marginalized. It provides a platform for raising awareness, documenting violations, and holding perpetrators accountable. By analyzing data and identifying abuse patterns, it ensures justice for all. Section 5. Navigating ethical complexities, AI as an ethical compass. As technology advances, humanity faces ethical dilemmas. AI-driven systems provide tools for navigating these complexities, drawing on diverse ethical frameworks. Imagine a world where decisions are informed by global dialogue, guided by fairness, human dignity, and the common good. AI facilitates ethical decision-making, fostering a global conversation about emerging technologies and challenges. Section 6. Everyday Justice. Resolving personal disputes with fairness and ease. While the AI-driven global justice system excels in addressing complex legal matters and international conflicts, its impact extends to the everyday lives of individuals, providing a fair and efficient mechanism for resolving personal disputes. Imagine a world where disagreements between neighbors about property lines, disputes between family members over inheritance, or even conflicts arising from online transactions can be resolved quickly and fairly, without the need for lengthy court battles or expensive legal representation. The accessible platform allows individuals to submit their disputes, provide evidence, and engage in mediated discussions, guided by the AI's impartial recommendations and the principles of fairness and equity. The system's ability to translate languages and facilitate cross-cultural understanding proves invaluable in resolving disputes that might otherwise escalate due to misunderstandings or cultural differences. By providing an accessible and efficient avenue for resolving everyday conflicts, the AI-driven global justice system fosters a more harmonious and just society, where individuals feel empowered to assert their rights and resolve disagreements peacefully and respectfully. Section 1. A beacon of efficiency, justice delivered swiftly and decisively. The AI-driven global justice system dismantles barriers, transforming the pace at which justice is delivered. Legal disputes, once dragging on for years, are now resolved in days or weeks. This efficiency stems from processing vast data quickly and operating 24/7. Streamlined procedures cut through red tape, delivering timely resolutions. This efficiency has profound implications for individuals and societies alike. Swift redress for grievances allows individuals to move forward. Societies benefit from reduced social and economic costs. Section 2. The economics of justice, cost-effectiveness and resource optimization. The pursuit of justice, while a moral imperative, often carries a hefty price tag. Traditional legal systems, with their reliance on expensive legal representation, court fees, and administrative overheads, can be prohibitively expensive for many, creating a two-tiered system where access to justice is often determined by the depth of one's pockets. The AI-driven global justice system challenges this status quo, offering a more cost-effective and accessible alternative. By automating many of the tasks traditionally performed by lawyers and court personnel, the system significantly reduces the overhead costs associated with administering justice. This cost-effectiveness extends beyond mere financial savings. By freeing up traditional judicial resources, the system allows human judges and lawyers to focus on more complex cases, those requiring nuanced judgment, empathy, and a deep understanding of human nature. This shift allows for a more strategic allocation of resources, ensuring that expertise is directed where it is most needed. The AI-driven global justice system, by making justice more affordable and accessible, ensures that the pursuit of fairness is not a luxury reserved for the privileged few, but a fundamental right available to all. Section 3, from transactions to transformations, the ripple effect of ethical decision-making. The impact of a justice system extends far beyond the courtroom walls. It shapes societal norms, influences behavior, and sets the ethical tone for individuals and institutions alike. A system prioritizing fairness, transparency, and accountability creates a ripple effect, fostering ethical decision-making. The AI-driven global justice system, committed to ethical principles, drives positive change. It empowers informed decisions aligned with fairness, integrity, and respect for human dignity. Imagine a world where everyone can assess the ethical implications of their decisions. This shift towards ethical decision-making transforms our legal institutions and society, fostering a more just, equitable and compassionate world. Section 4. Empowering global citizens, knowledge as a tool for justice. For too long, the intricacies of the law have been shrouded in mystery, accessible only to a select few with the knowledge and resources to navigate its complexities. This opacity has created an imbalance of power, leaving many feeling powerless and vulnerable in the face of legal challenges. The AI-driven global justice system dismantles this barrier, empowering individuals with the knowledge they need to understand their rights, navigate legal processes, and advocate for themselves and their communities. The system's accessible platform becomes a virtual library of legal information, providing access to legal precedents, explanations of legal concepts, and even interactive tools that help individuals understand how the law applies to their specific circumstances. Imagine a world where individuals, armed with the knowledge of their rights and the tools to navigate the legal system, can confidently assert themselves, challenge injustice, and hold those in power accountable. This empowerment, this democratization of legal knowledge, is a cornerstone of the AI-driven global justice system, fostering a more informed, engaged, and empowered citizenry capable of shaping a more just and equitable future. Section 5. A world where justice prevails, truth, dignity, and the promise of unity. In the tapestry of human aspirations, the pursuit of justice holds a place of paramount importance. It is the foundation upon which peaceful and prosperous societies are built, the safeguard against tyranny and oppression, and the beacon of hope that guides us towards a brighter future. The AI-driven global justice system, with its unwavering commitment to fairness, transparency, and accountability, represents a profound leap forward in our collective quest for a more just and equitable world. It is a testament to our enduring belief in the power of reason, the importance of human dignity, and the transformative potential of technology when harnessed for the betterment of humanity. Imagine a world where the scales of justice are balanced, where truth prevails over deceit, where human dignity is respected and upheld, and where the rule of law, applied fairly and impartially, unites us in our common humanity. This is the promise of the AI-driven global justice system, a promise of a world where justice is not a distant ideal but a lived reality for all. Section 6. Towards a brighter future, the enduring legacy of AI-driven justice. The AI-driven global justice system is a powerful tool for positive change. It promotes transparency, accountability, and ethical decision-making. Its legacy will be measured by its transformative impact on our collective consciousness. The journey towards justice, fairness, and dignity continues. The quest for justice fosters harmony within and between nations. It creates a world where individuals feel safe, respected, and empowered. The AI-driven global justice system can be a powerful catalyst for global harmony. Imagine a world where disputes are resolved through dialogue and understanding. The AI system bridges language barriers and identifies common ground. It strengthens social cohesion and creates a more harmonious society. By promoting fairness and transparency, it fosters a peaceful world order. Harmony prevails over discord, and cooperation replaces conflict. The journey towards a just world is ongoing, evolving with our understanding of justice and commitment to its principles. The AI-driven justice system adapts and grows, navigating our changing world and emerging challenges. Imagine a future where AI helps us address ethical complexities, ensuring technology serves humanity. Envision a world where AI addresses climate change, sharing burdens equitably and protecting future generations. The AI-driven justice system offers hope in a world of uncertainty and rapid change. It ensures justice remains a guiding principle in our evolving world. The path ahead will have challenges. Success hinges on embracing AI's potential, addressing its limitations, and ensuring it remains a force for good. The AI-driven global justice system is a testament to human aspiration for a better world. Where justice is balanced and fairness guides our actions, it reflects our capacity for innovation and collective action. Let us embrace this system to create a just world. This is our challenge and shared destiny. Let us build a future where justice prevails.